Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my PM recap of gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So, anyways, Gold did pretty much exactly what we were talking about today in Zoom meeting. Now, I'm really hesitant to even say this because the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame, and this honestly could be. Oops, I can't draw a straight line, but this honestly could be a running ABC, which would be a higher high, and then just keep on going up to this next Fibonacci from the higher time frames. But to me, it does look like something that more potentially is likely to go down. So we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We're at the 61%. It doesn't have to turn there, but if it does turn at one of these three Fibonacci levels, on maybe a shorter time frame, you can identify a break of structure. If it does turn back down, it probably would go down, take out these lows. But I definitely still think that even if it does make a pullback, it's probably just going to be a pretty short-lived pullback, maybe like a wave four on probably like the 4 hour time frame. So, like I said, be very cautious with your shorts. It could literally just keep on going up. It's in an uptrend on literally every single time frame. So, like I said, I really don't recommend shorting it. I think there is a chance it's going to go down, but I think it'll be a better opportunity to try to go long at the end of the pullback than worry about trying to go short for this push down. Definitely up to you, though. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.